This course takes you on a journey that starts with the basics and theory of security and then builds upon it with practical exercises and onto more advanced topics in the later sections and other volumes. The next 3 sections are the main theory sections. You have to know the basic theory so you can make your own informed choices about security. I don't want to give you just a basic list of things to do. I want you to understand both the why and the how of what you're doing. So we start now with the theory and basics of security and then build on that with practical exercises and onto more advanced topics. So the next 3 sections are theory. After the theory sections, we build a lab using virtual machines, and after the theory, I then show you practical demonstrations which you can replicate using the lab. So we're starting with theory and then building up onto practical exercises. The theory is super important. Please don't ignore it, especially if you're new to cybersecurity, if you want to become an expert.